Hello, and welcome to our Futures program. I'm Steve Beckmen, winemaker for Beckmen Vineyards. Over the past 15 plus years, our Futures program has become the most exciting and fun event we do every year. The idea for the Futures came from the Bordelais. Well, for decades, most of their wine has been sold as Futures, as barrel samples. The Futures program offers you the best opportunity to purchase our finest and most limited bottlings at their best and lowest prices. Actually, the program has grown so much over the past several years that a few of the wines that we offer are only available to Futures buyers and to the wine club shipments, including some of your favorites like the TLB, Purissima, and the Block 6 Syrah. For the past few years, we have also offered 1 to 2 wines a year that are only available to purchase in the Futures program. And this year, the Purissima red wine is back and better than ever. Throughout the years, we have done the program in many different formats, from tasting parties to individual tastings. Obviously, 2020 is a different year. This year, due to the pandemic, we are bringing our cellar into your homes with the tasting packages we have created and shipped to you, and through the Zoom conference you are about to enjoy. We have some incredible wines in this year's tasting. 3 of the wines come from the outstanding 2018 vintage. These are the last wines we will bottle and release from this incredible year. I hope you enjoy this new format, and more importantly, I hope you enjoy the wines and are able to secure your favorites by ordering through the Futures program. These are our finest and most limited releases of the year, and we hope you take advantage of this offer. Stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy the tasting.